Welcome back to Kyoko's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making what?
Sukiyaki.
Okay. It's a lot of vegetables prepared ahead of time, cut and prepared, and we'll show you that. And a special sauce and some meat.
And this one, round onion, one round onion,
Okay.
chopped that, and one book Chinese cabbage,
Yeah.
and 2 cup,
Okay.
and green onion,
Mm-hmm.
1 cup, and mushroom, shiitake mushroom.
Or your choice of what kind of mushroom you want to
any
use.
kind of mushroom, and I have a 4-piece mushroom, and baked potato. You can throw microwave, half a cooked potato.
Yep. And then slice it. Put it in the microwave, cook it halfway, and slice it.
And the udon,
Japanese udon noodles.
and the 10 sliced meat.
In sliced pork in our case, but it could be beef.
The beef, yeah.
And we're also going to be using
Tofu.
tofu. To start this off, you take your large pan, large skillet.
With a little bit garlic and the oil.
Always start with garlic and oil.
A little bit meat, 1 slice meat. Just cook.
The meat helps to just put a little oil around and flavor.
And you put the onion right here.
Now all the ingredients are put in the pan in their own little section, their own area. The onions area.
Chinese cabbage.
The Wombok area. Watch it, you're gonna burn.
These are really shrimp, and maybe only get a half cup after cook.
Looks like a lot, but like Kyoko said, it's gonna shrink.
And this one green onion.
Green onion sliced about 1.5 to 2 inches long. 2 inches, I guess.
And the shiitake mushroom.
You can really put almost anything you want in here, but it's mainly vegetables and a little bit of meat. The secret to good sukiyaki is the sauce. What do you use?
1 cup shoyu, 1 cup sake,
Okay,
and a half cup sugar.
sounds good. It's the traditional teriyaki sauce, or in this case, sukiyaki sauce.
And we wait till the sugar melts. All that, about half of inside.
Oh, the bottom's got a lot of sugar in the bottom still.
And after the napa cabbage come out water, onion come out the water, and green onion come out water. So they get to feed up.
Okay. So we ended up with a little over 2 cups of liquid. Put about 1 cup in. The vegetables are cooking. They're releasing water, which is going to add water to the sauce in the skillet.
And if you like a sweet, sugar, you can sprinkle top of sugar.
Or you can leave that part out.
Yeah. But I like a little bit sweet.
If you were wondering what happened to the tofu, here it comes now. If you put it in at the beginning, it'll get too soft too quickly.
Yeah.
But now that the vegetables have cooked a little bit, about 3 minutes,
And the Chinese cabbage, that's all left. Not much left.
we had a whole bunch and now it's just a little tiny amount.
Yeah. And if you have a leftover this sauce, you can keep in the refrigerator. Okay, for months to 2 months.
And you keep working the vegetables a little bit so they can get sauce on them and get rotated and cooking. You can actually do all of this at one time at a table with everybody sitting around. But this way it gives them a head start. They cook a little bit ahead of time. Then we take it to the table on one of those gas grills, and then we can eat around the table and it's already more than half cooked. Okay, now that it's cooked roughly 10 minutes, we're gonna take it to the table. There's the flame underneath. Everything will keep boiling, and now it's time to sit down and eat. And start cooking the meat and the udon noodles. Make a spot in the middle. You want to really keep a close eye on the meat. It takes less than a minute to cook. It really cooks fast, especially if they're laid out flat. And you take it out, you eat it, and you keep adding meat as you need it. About 1 minute before you're ready to eat it, add a few more pieces of meat.
And if you want to put it, udon burude.
Here comes the noodles. They'll soak up the sauce pretty fast.
Yeah.
As you can see.
Now ready to eat.
Okay. Now we're gonna eat. We're gonna have a couple of cups of rice. This has been Kyoko's Kitchen. This is a quick way to make sukiyaki. The secret is prepare all of your stuff ahead of time and have it ready. Bye. Please subscribe.